Hello, hello. Sometimes I receive a custom-made drapery, one of a kind, one panel. Then the dog or the cat has been urinating on this beautiful fiber. And sometimes it's only one panel. I cannot guarantee the removal of the stain. However, I guarantee the removal of the urine odor. In most cases, I even succeed to remove the stain. However, customer focus on the removal of the urine odor.
Google verified review by local guide David and Ann Wood. The company is amazing. Our 14-month-old pug urinated on the bottom of our silk curtains. And I really thought I was all done. Not only would the curtain panel have to be thrown away, that would necessitate me throwing away the other panel and my living room curtains. No one in my city would touch this panel to clean it. I was told it would shrink. It would never be the same, blah, blah, blah. Then I found PetPeePee, and I am truly so grateful. I received my panel back, and it was odorless, like the dog had never done a thing to it. A million thank yous.
Mrs. Callie from Oklahoma sent me this one of a kind, one of the most beautiful piece of draperies than I ever cleaned. Really beautiful. Silk, multicolor, and high quality fiber. Custom made. However, it smelled nasty. And I have no clue if the smell came from the combination of the cleaning product the customer used or the dog or the cat's pee-pee. But it smelled bad. This is my specialties. I guarantee in writing the removal of the odor, the foul odor. The foul odor. This is my specialties. I put together the blended minerals from the Dead Sea, then it is totally odor free. And the reaction between my odor free cleaning product and the PP, the cleaning product the customer used, it's a guarantee in writing odor removal. Thank you very much, Mrs. Kelly, for your business. Happy New Year, Mayor Martin, the owner of the PetPeePee Company. Drapery and Oriental cleaning from Urine Odor.